here, and I'm gonna do dinner in a pumpkin, just because it's that time of year. I have a small to medium pumpkin here. You wanna be sure and buy this before October 30th because they'll be gone. Stores, sometimes you can find them at the pumpkin patch, but not always. So I recommend that you do it. But we're gonna make a dinner in this that you can serve like a casserole or a soup, and it serves 10 people. You only need this pumpkin, of course, 2 tablespoons of the olive oil. I'm gonna cook the hamburger. You can do 1 to 2 pounds. I use only 1 pound. You chop up an onion, and you mince the garlic, 2 cloves of the garlic, and then you cook that until it's browned. Then I'm going to add, this is super easy, 2 tablespoons of honey, Cox's of course, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. It's easy to remember, and 1 can of cream of chicken soup. So what you're gonna do there is you're gonna simmer. So add that to the hamburger mixture, and you'll simmer that. I'll show you a picture a little bit later. And then after that, simmer for 10 minutes, then you add 1/2 cup of rice. It can be, I like kind of wild, because it sounds kind of a little spooky. And I drain the water chestnuts, and of course 1/2 cup or to 3/4 cups of raisins. You can do an optional mushrooms. I'm not a mushroom fan, I don't like that texture too much. So while that's all cooking, I actually cut the pumpkin lid, scoop out all the seeds, and don't go waste. Look at my roasted pumpkin seeds with honey. You'll scoop then everything in here after you've cleaned that out, and you'll put it on this cookie sheet and bake it at 350 for 1/2 hour to 45 minutes until the pumpkin is tender. Super healthy. So we'll be back. Stay tuned. So I added to the hamburger garlic and onion mixture. So it was like 1 onion, 2 cloves garlic minced. I added the cream of chicken and 2 tablespoons of honey, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Of course, I did the oil in here first and the soy sauce so that the honey would slide right out. If you've been watching my videos, you know that. And it simmered for 10 minutes, like that. And then you just add the rice and you add the water chestnuts and you mix. And then we're gonna spoon this into the pumpkin. I've got the oven heated to 350. And make sure you lower it to the lowest that can possibly go so that you can fit your pumpkin in there. So we'll just mix this around and then I'll start spooning it in there. If you noticed, I cut this. I made sure I had the little jut there, and I saved the seeds. You can watch my how to roast pumpkin seeds for that, so it fits perfectly. I like the little lid like that. And always get your pumpkin before the 30th because they are gone. And that's it. That's all we're gonna add. So the oven's at 350 for 1/2 hour to 45 minutes. Just check if it's tender. So we'll be back after I spoon this in there. Actually, just watch me spoon it now. Look at this. Okay, here's our dinner in a pumpkin. Whoa. So you just make sure that the pumpkin is. And so there you go. You can do this in November. It doesn't have to be October. And be sure and line the cookie sheet with the foil so you don't have to clean out very much. It's a lot easier to clean up. Share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And go on my Facebook page and group, and I'm on Instagram and Pinterest. I put the recipes, so it's kind of cool. And let's see if there's anything else. We're off to a party. We're gonna take this and we'll see what a hit this is. It's pretty healthy and yummy. So have a sweet day. See you later.